Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS Jam. How are you today? In this video, we'd like to share another work finish in Hyundai iX35. This one is iX35 built in October 2013, so it belongs to the generation 2013 to 2017, as early as summer 2012. Now, this one came with the factory radio before, and currently it's already been with the 10-inch touchscreen. Okay, the 10-inch. Now the 10-inch here is premium one, which has wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, and on the screen you see wireless Apple CarPlay running just simply so fast and so smooth. I can tell you. See how responsiveness level is. It's instantly when you touch the screen, and you touch the software, and yep, it works just very smooth because this one is the premium level. There's nothing we have to talk about because we have done so many of the iX35 with the 10-inch level and including 9-inch as well. This car now is equipped with our new 10-inch system, and together with the front Full HD anti-glare and then dash camera recorder here that actually connect to our system via one USB at the back, and we have the software to run the dash camera as well. And we have another video show exactly how the dash camera is installed and running in this model, right in this car. So you can see another video we have. Back to this one, it is equipped with the 10-inch and premium, and it is connected to the steering wheel control, and it is connected to the full, actually it's high definition anti-glare and super night vision and dynamic steering wheel sensor reverse camera that we have. So look at this one. When we reverse, you actually will see the reverse camera turn on, and it is specifically fit to see the bumper bar and the turbo at the bottom here. Imagine that you have 10-inch screen, and that's huge, okay, and super sharp and detailed with the camera showing the turbo at the bottom, very central at the back, and with the dynamic steering wheel highlight. Everything is super on the screen. To compare with the factory camera over here, you can see the factory camera that's on the rear view mirror here, still there. It's very small, it's about 1.8 inch, something like that, and this one is not comparable with our new camera over here in any situation. Okay, you can see quickly our camera sees lower, higher, wider, and to compare with the factory camera. Okay, that's the well, and you come back quickly to the front section before. So hopefully it is enjoy to watch our video, and if you have the same car, you know that we can do 9-inch or 10-inch like this premium setup into your car model, and you can enjoy wireless Apple CarPlay, quick as you can see and easy as you can see. Okay, and if you want to have more further accessories, you can easily request it to install all of them. So once again, thank you, and you have a great day.